sige, ano? Dali mo. Uwian. Okay, go. Okay, Emol. Ulo! Hold sa ha, hold. Memorize na rin ang kaso. Okay, don't hold.
Okay, revenge time there.
Go!
How many? How many scoops?
One.
Let's see, Leah, go.
Scoop it under. Yeah.
Sigurado si Dea.
Go!
Go to the middle. Sige, go. Down. Dale, you were literally on the 50 right now. You went to 50.
Whoa.
Dale, up, Dale, up.
I am best friend though.
Left? Oh no. Yeah, before you missed it.
Okay.
Left. Okay, try to get it. Try to scoop it as hard as you can. Dale, you were literally touching it. You were touching it, Dale. The 1,000 is on your left. No.
Hey, two more.
Patay mo nga lang na, Ben. Napilay daw ko, Ben.
Alright.
Palaminit mo na, Ben.
Last four.
Last one. Dale, left.
Kaya, no?
Yeah. You got it. Yes. Up. Right, a little right. Right more. No,
Oh, there, you're done.
your mom gave you 50.
Done. Okay, now you're done. Ay, naman.
I think you got the 50.
Okay. Next.
No coaching. No coaching.
Again. You know what? Hindi siya ganahan guys.
Hindi ka naman sa delay ka.
Good.
Ay, medyo good.
Yeah, let's fair again. Yeah, fair. Ay, fair. Game is not on.
Okay.
Again, good again. Okay, good. No touching this one. Go. Right, start. Go.
I know the one.
Yes, go! Wow!
Hurry up.
I felt something there. It's hard.
Okay, go.
Wait, my upper is opening.
Go.
Hurry up, Josh! Going mo bata, Josh!
Papilig yung kanila mo, ma'am.
Salamat, ibalik mo, baby. And the third one.
I know.
Under!
Ay, No, don't watch it.
Orang dah ini kawan.
Go, scoop it. You can do it, only scoop
I
for
think-
once lang. You can do it again and again.
Wait, go. You're supposed to run.
If it's paper, I'll help. No! No coaching, guys.
I think I missed something.
Sige na, go. One scoop. Yeah. Last one. Yeah.
Wala? Oh, wait, I think I felt it. Here?
Go now.
No. No, I have to do
Kita aku.
Wala ba? Go. Last time. Okay.
Ang mga dagpo ba? Ikaw na. Kaya kami nagpan.
Manigit ni bilin na ni.
Nag-uunat mga dagpo. Ayaw.
Okay, nagawa ka ng ganyan.
No, but I got it!
Yeah, you can have it. Go.